Dakshina Kannada has neither seen a minister as horrible as Nagaraj Shetty, nor will see anyone like him in the future, said former minister and Beltangudi MLA Vasant Bangera. Speaking at a function organized by the Congress to thank party activists who worked for the victory of Ramanath Rai, Bangera said that Shetty did not hesitate to felicitate criminals in the jail. He had totally forgotten the needs of the district and behaved like an arrogant person. Hence, voters sent him back home, remarked Bangera. Shetty was busy tarnishing the image of Rai through false propaganda, and this eventually backfired, he opined.
ನಾವು ಮಾತು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಇಂಚಿನ ನೀಚೆಗೆ ಓಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕಡಕೊಂಡು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂಚಿನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ
Thanking the voters and party workers, Rai promised to work in accordance with the expectations of the party activists. He also assured that developmental works in the constituency would continue unabated. He expressed his gratitude to the voters of Bantwal constituency, where he has won 5 times and lost only once. He said priority would be given to maintenance of peace and harmony in the area. No organization associated with Congress creates animosity between religions, Rai asserted.
ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಲ್ತದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಸುಡಿಸದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಲ್ತ ಐಕ್ಯನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರಥಮಾದಿಕ್ಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಹಣಬರನೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಭತ್ತದ ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಬೀಸೋದ ಮಧ್ಯ ಜಾಗಡು ಪಟಾಕಿ ಏರ್ಜನ ನೆರೆಯಲಿಗೊಂಡು ನಿಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏರ್ಜನ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ಮಧ್ಯರು ರಾತ್ರಿ 16 ಗಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ವಾಹನ ಹಂಚಿಚ್ಚಿ ಪೋವನು ಬುಡಂದ ವಾಹನ ತಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣಗಳು ದಾನಂಬ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ದಾನ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂದಾಜಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ ಉಂಟು ಹಿಂಚಿನ ವಿಷಯ ಒಂದು ಇಂಚಿನ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಆಯರ ಬಲ್ಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಮಾಜದ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಪಕ್ಷ.
Former Zilla Parishad President Sankappa Rai presided over the function. MLAs Abhay Chandra and UT Khadar, Congress leaders Hari Krishna Bantwal, KSM Masood, Maruti, Narayanappa, Moidin Bava and Dr. Raghu were also present on the occasion.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.